String functions. String functions convert raw text into values that the Terraform graph can safely evaluate. Variables enter the system as untrusted input, so text must be normalized before it derives resource names or logic. The outcome is deterministic behavior because every downstream expression consumes a controlled string instead of unpredictable user input. White space and case differences create false inequality. Trimspace removes leading and trailing white space, while lower collapses all characters to one case. The outcome is consistent comparisons because different variations of prod resolve to the same value before any condition executes. Split converts a string into a list using a delimiter. Join reconstructs a string from a list using a new delimiter. The outcome is structured control over compound identifiers because text like security platform prod becomes discrete elements that can be reused, reordered, or validated independently. Startswith evaluates a fixed prefix, and strcontains checks substring presence. These functions provide direct Boolean signals without pattern complexity. The outcome is simpler policy logic because prefix and containment rules can be enforced without introducing regex ambiguity. Trim prefix removes one exact prefix match, and trim suffix removes one exact suffix match. Trim removes any character from a setup at both ends, not a full word. The outcome is precise cleanup because known wrappers such as environment hyphen or file extensions can be removed without affecting internal text. Replace rewrites substrings, and a pattern wrapped in slashes activates regex matching. Format builds structured strings from typed inputs. The outcome is controlled name generation, but also higher risk because a broad regex can match unintended segments and silently alter identifiers. On a submarine, labels must map exactly to systems. A single ambiguous label can redirect action to the wrong component under pressure. Regex introduces the same risk. One loose pattern can consistently rename resources and still be wrong. Regex extracts structured data using captured groups. Named groups return a map, which allows direct key access. A failed match raises an error, while regexall returns an empty list when no match exists. The outcome is a design choice between strict validation and safe probing, depending on whether absence should break execution.